let's talk about these legacy PBX machines that sits and take a lot of space still into hotel cupboards and rooms. So what are we seeing, and what's the next for those?
Yeah, I mean, we absolutely are, and it's incredible. We talk about legacy PBX like they're these terrible things, but actually, we've still got customers out there. We spoke to one recently. We're in the process of now migrating them, but they had a system that stopped being sold about 15 years ago. This legacy system, it was about 25 years old. And you put that into a perspective of other technology, and you wouldn't dream of keeping any other piece of technology for 25 years. No laptop, no computer. Like 25 years ago, computers were a completely different thing, right? Whereas a legacy PBX will sit there, and to some extent, it will carry on working until it doesn't. And that's the challenge, is that there is no warning. There's no warning sign that your PBX is about to die. It will just die. And the fact that these systems are so old, and actually probably more importantly, a lot of the vendors of these traditional technologies are no longer in the market. They no longer sell phone systems. They no longer manufacture phone systems. Their kind of back-end third-party support function was made defunct many years ago. So it's the element of risk which is the biggest challenge, I think, within this sector, is that there's somewhat a comfort to the fact that I can walk into my comms room and I can see it and I can touch it, and the little lights blink just like they've blinked for the last 15 years, and it's that kind of, oh yeah, no, I know where my phone system is, it's secure, I can see it, I can touch it. But actually, the risk of retaining that legacy technology is huge. Yeah, because if that, as you quite rightly say, Ali, is still a key revenue stream and a key enabler of really good guest journeys, then if it fails without warning, your hand is forced into this huge transformation project when it may not have been budgeted, it will not have been planned, and it may be at your busiest time of year.
That's it for this episode of Straight Talking by Focus on Hospitality.